Good afternoon and welcome to Dunnyrail. I want to make a short video to show some of the ways that one can test if one's railway has electrical connectivity problems. For purposes of this test, I'm using a short section of my indoor railway that I've adapted with some insulating tape to simulate a section that may not work. Just here you can see that I have a break of rail and then the green tape. On the other side I also have a break of rail with yellow tape. Both those pieces of rail are connected by a fish plate, which in this particular circumstances are working fine. However, I want to show you what would happen if things are not working fine. Here is my patented track testing device, which is a speaker, where I have soldered two pieces of wire for the purposes of undertaking testing. So if I touch the two pieces of wire to the rail, thus, the speaker beeps at me. It's actually best to hold one piece of rail with one finger and then just touch. If I touch the yellow piece of wire, I don't get a beep. That could indicate that the fish plate between these two pieces of rail is faulty or dirty. So to repair that, I would pull the rail apart, try to give it a clean as best I could, clench the fish plate slightly, just enough so that the rail is a tight fit back, and push it back. Let's assume I've done that and I touch the rail and I've got a circuit. So that piece of circuit is working okay. Dead, now alive. I now want to test the other rail, so I move my wire to the closer rail, and again I now touch my yellow piece of tape and it indicates the track is dead. Again I pull it apart, clench the fish plate slightly, push it back together, touch that wire and I'm okay. Touching that wire and I'm okay. So that's a quick, cheap, dirty way of testing things. This speaker came from a new Quidder locomotive that I'm modifying for other purposes, but a similar speaker or even a buzzer from a shop will work. Now this device is somewhat similar. It's a bogie that's got pickup wheels on it and a switch with a light bulb. If I throw the switch one way, you can see I'm getting a beep. If I throw it the other way, I'm getting a light. Centre is off. Even though one of the rails is over the insulated tape indicating it failed, I'm still getting a light or my beep. If I run the bogie completely onto the dead track or insulation, it goes off. As soon as I actually get to rail, I get my beep back. And again, that's simulating the speaker, but in a slightly more sophisticated way or useful way, which is actually quite useful because if you're working away somewhere, you can actually have the buzzer on. If you feel the track join is somewhere a long way away, or there's some problem with your wiring, you can actually have that sat on the track, play around until you actually get your buzz, and then you know you've resolved the problem. Hope this short video helps you, and till the next time, bye all.